Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion for planning your meal prep, the 2025 guide. First off, you'll want to create a new page in Notion. Simply click on the plus new page button, name it something like Meal Prep Planner. The reason we do this is to keep all your meal prep plans in one accessible place. Once you've created your page, let's set up a table database. You can do this by clicking on the plus Add a Block button, then select Table Full Page. Now, why is this important? A table database allows you to track your meals for each day, along with ingredients needed and prep time, all in one glance. Next, customize your table by adding columns for each day of the week and for each meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This helps us because it provides a structure for your meal planning, making sure you're not missing any meals. Now that we've done that, it's time to fill in your meals. You can type your meals directly into the table or create a linked database for a collection of your favorite recipes. Let me explain why this matters. With a linked database, you can simply select your meals from a list instead of typing them out each time, saving you lots of time. Lastly, add a column for ingredients. This is where you'll note down all the ingredients needed for each meal. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you fill up this column, Notion automatically creates a shopping list for you. And that's it. You've now created your very own meal prep planner on Notion. This efficient system will help you plan, shop, and prep your meals like a pro. Remember, the more you use it, the more time you'll save in the long run. Thanks for joining us, and happy meal prepping.